Today we're going to be unboxing the JBL TuneFlex earbuds. Hi, welcome to ZGadgetReview. If you're new here or you've been here before but haven't subscribed yet, I'm on a quest to hit 2,000 subscribers. So I'm going to ask you to help me out by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you. Here I have the JBL TuneFlex earbuds, which I'm going to be reviewing. This is the unboxing. So let's go through the features really quickly. We have here JBL by Harman, Pure Bass, Zero Noise, TuneFlex Perfect Fit earbuds. This received the Red Dot Award all the way back in 2022. They have active noise cancelling and they feature supposedly crisp, clear phoncals. Some of the things that they advertise here is ceiling tips, which is supposed to help you with the noise cancelling. It has a range between 20 Hz and 20 kilohertz. It's a 12mm drive. It has USB Type-C. It comes with a case and the 3 different size tips. Dare you to listen. All right, here in the back, we get a little bit of a preview of what we have here, which is the 2 earbuds. Then we have JBL Pure Bass Sound. Again, the crisp, clear calls using 4 different microphones. It has active noise cancelling and is water resistant. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna come out pretty easily. Ta-da! They came out standing up. All right, here we go. So here we have the earbuds. We have the quick start guide. You have clearly a JBL app that you need to download to use this with. It's a nice little box. Let's see what's in here. We have a nice quick start guide. We have Chinese stuff. And your product registration manual. So they're registered, so don't even try. Now here we have the earbuds. So it looks like we have the charging cable here, which looks to be a USB-C orange cable, really short as you can see there. And we have the ear tips in this little plastic case. And I opened it, so this is what the ear tips look like. 6 tips, obviously a pair, right? 1, 2, 3 total tips for both ears. And then here we have this plastic case with the earbuds in there. And then here we have this band that goes around the box where the case sits. Nice packaging, gotta give them that. Okay, we will take this out. The case here, which is not that big. I thought that the case would be bigger. Take it out of its wrapping here. It has a little bit of glue there. Oh, there we go. Oh man, I ripped it. I don't want to rip it, but I guess it's gotta be ripped. So here we go. And then, okay, there we go. Here we have the JBL case. Then open it. It has the charging bars here, so clearly 2 bars charged. I'm assuming 3 will mean that it's fully charged. It's actually pretty hefty case. The case is thicker than I thought it would be. It has a nice closing sound. Doesn't really feel cheap. Let's look at the earbuds. Here we have the JBL earbuds. As you can see, they're the stem design. They have the JBL logo there. I'm assuming this is touch sensitive here in order to control the earbuds. And you have the little speaker there. I don't know if you necessarily need the ear tips immediately to put in there, but here's a better look of the ear tips. So you can see you have your large, medium, and small sizes. Then here at the bottom you have your contacts for charging and all that. Well, now that we've done the unboxing, I'm going to put it through its paces, see how good they are, and I'll be back with you with a review. Is there anything you want me to test out in this earbuds when I do the review? Are there any questions that you would like me to answer about these earbuds while I'm doing the review? Let me know in the comment section. That is it for me. Go ahead and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. And thank you very much for watching.